Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Euro X banner display. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. So first things first, you're going to identify the main center pole with the hub where the arms will stick into to create the X in your banner. You're going to start with that, and you're going to grab two arms that you'll then insert into the bottom holes of the hub. Again, making sure your hooks on the bottom holes are facing out. Next, insert the two remaining poles into the hub like so. Again, making sure the hook is facing forward. Once you've inserted all the poles to create the frame of your banner display, it's now time to attach your graphic. So to install your graphic, identify the grommets on your banner graphic and insert the hooks on the poles into the grommets like so. And there you have it. It's just that simple to set up your Euro X banner display.